This topical issue of VBS is long from over, and today the long-awaited earth-shattering report, forensic report, has been released, and as expected, heads are set to roll, with about 7 mayors being recalled from their positions. And I'm joined by political analyst Elvis Masuka. Mr. Masuka, you said earlier this morning to the SABC that heads are expected to roll, and you were spot on.
No, absolutely. Remember, the ANC that I know, which was founded in 1912, was once explained by Jacob Zuma, I think in 2011, when he was dealing with a challenge by then Youth League President Julius Malema. Jacob Zuma once said, the ANC is like an elephant. It moves very slowly. But the moment it stamps 8 foot on you, you will be in pieces. And that's exactly what we are witnessing right now, when the ANC is powerfully so acting against the people who are implicated in the VBS bank robbery. And remember, some people have been blaming the Limpopo ANC to say that it has been dragging its feet in terms of disciplining people who are implicated in the VBS, but forgetting that in the ANC there is a constitution and protocol. Whenever a major situation arises, lower structures will wait for a higher structure, Luthuli House, to analyze the matter and end up taking a decision. From there, Luthuli House will inform a lower structure to act according to a particular script. So that's exactly what we are seeing. Heads are rolling. The ANC has recalled mayors who acted, unlawfully, so that, municipalities can lose more than 1.2 billion of taxpayers' money. So it was expected, very much expected.
And what's next for these mayors? Do you think they will play political victims and buy emotions from their supporters, as it is culture within the ANC?
Yeah, remember, this is a completely different ANC that we are witnessing right now in 2018. It is no longer, the slow-moving, corruption-tolerant ANC that we saw in the last 9 years under President Jacob Zuma. This is a very different ANC led by a different new president, Cyril Ramaphosa, who has been campaigning very much for clean governance, restoration of credibility in the ANC, and making sure that where the ANC governs, they want to see the clean governance. And that's exactly what is happening. The ANC under Ramaphosa is fulfilling his mission to say he wants good governance in an ANC-led government. They don't want to tolerate any kind of corruption. So what is happening right now to the decisiveness of Sir Ramaphosa, because this is a kind of ANC. He promised ANC members before he was voted president. And I'm not surprised when Luthuli House has decided to act so powerfully against mayors who are implicated in the VBS bank robbery. Because obviously President Ramaphosa could have said to Luthuli House that my mission to become ANC president was based on a promise that I will clean the image of the ANC, I will restore credibility of the ANC, and most importantly, I'll make sure that the ANC government subscribes to good governance and proper administration of affairs. So absolutely, this is a new ANC, and my fear is that those who are having corrupt ambitions in the ANC, they will have nowhere to hide under President Cyril Ramaphosa.
Okay. And now we hear that Vhembe District Mayor Florence Razilani has resigned even before pronouncement on the mayors was made. Is this admission of wrongdoing?
Remember, the ANC is a liberation movement. They never at all wanted to embarrass any of their cadre. Whenever you are implicated in wrongdoing in the ANC, or whenever they want a particular leader to step down from government, the ANC will secretly and behind closed doors summon you to the headquarters to say, Minister Masuka, because of this and that, we want you to step down with dignity and grace. We avoid a situation whereby we'll call a press conference and embarrass you in public and say we are suspending you or we are expelling you. So usually that is a proper protocol in the ANC. They will call a mayor who is supposed to be axed to say, please tender your resignation. We want you to resign with dignity. And I think that's exactly what happened to Florence Razilani. She was summoned to ANC headquarters and advised to resign. That's why she tendered, her resignation letter.
Thank you so much. That was political analyst Mr. Elvis Masuka, and it's back to you.